First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Bruce, and I teach security compliance on a site called Convocourses.com. I started doing it because I started getting a lot of questions about something I know a lot about. So I figured, I'll start talking about it. And I'm doing this live. We've got a couple things lined up here for you. The first thing I want to talk about here is a new feature that I have. If you have not been to my site in a while, I've got a new feature on my site called Communities, and essentially allows you guys to contact me directly. I got a lot of people trying to contact me, asking me questions, and I like to do videos about it. I just feel like it's I can describe more things with a video. Where I can, I'll just email you back or whatever, or I'll do your resume, help out with a resume and things like that. I can do that. But if it's something where it's like a very deep question, then I feel like I can do it better on a video. So what I've been doing, I'm just trying this out, is when somebody asks me a question that I think that a lot of people might want to know, or actually sometimes some people ask me the same question over and over again, I start just doing videos about it. No edits. I just turn on the camera and I start explaining exactly what's going on. Like somebody asked me recently about an ISO with a TSSCI, and they had an opportunity to be a schedule master. So I answered that question on this site. So if you log into the site, go to Communities. I got the link in the description below. You have to log in to access it. You can ask me a question on there, or you can comment on some of the stuff I've already done, and I'll do these videos and I will be able to release it immediately with no edits or anything. Just put it out there. So go ahead and check this site out. And another thing is, if you're trying to contact me, I've got a link up. People have been asking me over and over again about, do I do Discord? Am I on Discord? What's my Discord link? And the one that I put out there is already broken or whatever. So what I did was I made it so that it does not expire, but it has a limited amount of people who can go on there. So I can refresh it once it maxes out. So if you're interested in contacting me on Discord, there's the link. It's in the description below. First 100 people get in, and then I'll have to redo it at some point. So yeah, another thing that you should know is I've been updating the courses. So if you haven't been in there in a while, or if you finished a course a while ago, periodically it helps to just go ahead and check it out, because sometimes I'll add more stuff to it. For example, I've probably added 2 to 4 hours worth of new content on some of the old videos that you are probably already familiar with. And that's just how I do Convocourses. I'll put it out there. I'll put that course out there, and then I will add to it. Like more things come, or there's an update with the framework or something like that, and I'll keep adding to it. So it really would behoove you to go and check it out every now and then. So that's what's going on with Convocourses, if you're wondering. Another update that I should probably let you guys in on is that right now working on one about privacy. I've got some other ones in the works here, but they're not far along enough to really talk about at this point in time. But I've got one for privacy that's coming out soon. I'll probably integrate it with a larger bundle, and that one's coming out. And I've got some other things in the works, so stay tuned for that. And let me get into some of the questions that I have. The privacy one, by the way, is for federal information systems. There's a specific thing that you're supposed to do, a process that you have to do with federal systems. And so that's what I talk about, and have some templates for you. My Discord is in the description below. It's called Convocourses. And so, yeah, just hit me up there. You have any questions, we can talk about it. We can I'll make new videos about it. And that's how we'll do this.